Hey, good morning, everybody. Dan here at Landshark. So, really short video this morning. We're going to talk about the Russell 2000. I didn't get to actually trade this last week. This market actually broke down without me. I was in Los Angeles meeting some other traders at a conference out there. We're looking like we're getting some action in these markets, which is really great considering we're heading pretty close here to summer. So this will be really nice to actually be seen in this. So, real simple kind of setup on this. This market is trending lower on the Russell 2000. Right? So we've had a pullback here, and another pullback right here. We keep failing on these pullbacks. Right? The real key with this is, if we're looking at trends, is as we fail to break these highs and these pullbacks, right, we're looking to just keep selling on this market. As long as we can keep this channel, we want to trade with this trend and keep price action essentially just trading right into these lows. Right? So price basically bounced this morning. That's the larger picture, what we can call like an anchor kind of chart, or looking at a chart from 30,000 feet, so to speak, to see what's going on the larger time frame. When we break this down, we're trading it intraday. Like this morning, one of the things we're looking at is, okay, so we know we're in a downtrend on this market, so let's take a look and see a few things here. Well, on this level here at 115, that's a fib retrace, right? So we have a buy zone this morning that we looked at, and we kind of caught that zone, right? Now, these buy zones we talk about and we teach in our courses and we talk about in webinars, right? They're not like the holy grail. They're not going to work every single time. But what they do for us is they give us context in this market, right? They give us areas where we want to see, is this where I want to potentially take a trade long? If I'm in a short, should I be covering here? All they do is just give you hints and clues in these markets. So that's the first thing we saw this morning, and that's what we saw right off of the open on this Russell this morning. So if you were looking at this market and you're getting whipsawed, well, there's a few things to kind of look at on this. Right, so right off this morning, we basically break down to these lows, which is a previous low. We bounce right off, and what we're trying to do at this particular level is what I talked about in the larger time frame. And let's pull that up right here. Right, remember talking about making these highs, right? As soon as we got back up to these highs, off this huge 9-point rally, right, we just rejected off. Right, so we're looking for once more, as we want to see if this sustains, and if that does sustain, we're going to look to take this all the way back up, right, to the channel's highs in this. Very simple setup, right, but we want to see how price begins to react off this, right? We actually may get it here in this short video and see this actually break out. So that's what I'm looking at in the Russell, really short video. Be sure to sign up for these videos. We're sending them out 3 times a week now, and you'll get them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is when they're going to be heading out. So that's it. We'll do another video, come back Wednesday. Best of luck trading. Welcome back to the trading week here.